Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glam Fashion Gallery. Today I'm sharing with you different types of men's shirt fabric with their names. So let's get started. Number 1, cotton shirt. Number 2, denim shirt. Number 3, satin shirt. Number 4, flannel shirt. Number 5, linen shirt. Number 6, leather shirt. Number 7, khadi shirt. Number 8, poplin shirt. Number 9, seedsucker shirt. Number 10, derby shirt. Number 11, corduroy shirt. Number 12, gingham shirt. Number 13, lawn shirt. Number 14, chambray shirt. Number 15, twill shirt. Number 16, rayon shirt. Number 17, polyester shirt. Number 18, chiffon shirt. Number 19, gabardine shirt. Number 20, pinpoint Oxford shirt. Number 21, madras shirt. Number 22, tweed shirt. Number 23, herringbone shirt. Number 24, jacquard shirt. Number 25, lace shirt. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.